chambered in 5.7 by 28.
Productions.
I just realized I never did the shooting review of the Ruger 5.7, so no better time than the present, right? Now, before I start shooting, I just want to shout out Armory Valentine for my custom barrel. Got that Cutlass gun candy on there, so shout out gun candy as well. We're gonna do less talking today. We're gonna shoot. Let's see if I can hit this steel. Uh-oh, malfunction. Got a double feed. We're gonna work it out of there. Work it out, work it out. Work it out. There we go. It's a very flat shooting gun. I'm surprised at the lack of recoil. There's like literally no recoil. That was a lot of fun. I hope they heard all that plinking. Did you hear that plinking? I was plinking a little bit. I had a little plink going on. Plink, plink. Nah, but overall, y'all, you can't beat this shooting experience. I don't really have no complaints. The grip is very 1911 style, which makes it real easy because I got bigger hands. Magazine 20+1, so I could shoot all day if I really wanted to. It's kind of like baby AR rounds. You know what I mean? 5.7 is like a mini 5.56, which is kind of cool to be able to shoot that out of a pistol. I can't lie, I've been against the Ruger 5.7 for so long. I hated it. I think I hated it because everybody loved it. I tend to be that type of guy. But I honestly have nothing bad to say about the Ruger 5.7. In fact, the only thing I really got to say is let's shoot some more. So I got my brother, my cameraman out here with me, and he loved the Ruger 5.7. I gotta be honest. I still don't think this gun is worth $700. I don't. And y'all know if I would have had to pay $700, I wouldn't have this gun. So I can tell you if you can catch it on a trade-in like I did, it's nice. It's definitely nice for what I paid for it. Like I said, it's flat shooting. Ballistically though, I don't know if I necessarily want a 5.7. 5.7 is really just a 22 with a whole lot of velocity. But that being said, you can't deny how fun it is. Would I EDC this? No, I would never carry this as my sidearm. But is it dope to have in a collection? Shoot around at the range? We just had a lot of fun. In fact, even though ammo is $50 a box, I'm gonna reload and shoot again. Let's aim for this steel over here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All right. Final thoughts on the Ruger 5.7. Whole lot of fun. Ammo too expensive. Definitely not worth the money. Unless you already got your home defense weapon. It could be a good home defense weapon, sort of. Maybe I wouldn't pick it, actually. Let me not lie to you guys. The Ruger 5.7 is just, it's a plink around. That's what it is. Scratched up my Cerakote job, but I ain't tripping. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.